Imagine that you're standing on the edge of a boundless ocean with a sparkling cosmos reflected in its waters. Now, imagine that this panorama, with its myriad stars and spinning galaxies, is just a reflection, a projection from an invisible, distant shore. This is not the beginning of a science fiction tale, but a look at one of the most striking theories in modern physics, the holographic principle. Just as each droplet on a spider's web contains the world in miniature, our universe may be a grand reflection of fundamental laws written on a distant frontier. Far from the solid earth beneath our feet and the emptiness of space, the very fabric of our reality may be generated by something much deeper, something beyond our present comprehension. Let's go on this exploration together and try to answer the ultimate question: does the fabric of our universe arise from a holographic reality? At the heart of physics lies a quest to uncover the layers of reality and reveal its most fundamental elements. The journey begins with the concept of space. Isaac Newton, one of the titans of science, envisioned space as an absolute, unchanging background, indifferent to the comings and goings of matter and energy. For Newton, space was an absolute receptacle, infinite expanse in which all the events of the universe played out. However, as our understanding deepened, this view of space began to evolve. The advent of Einstein's theory of relativity painted a different picture in which space was not just a passive arena, but an active participant in cosmic interaction. According to this new view, space could bend and curve in the presence of mass and energy, calling into question the very notion of its absoluteness. Amid these shifting perspectives, a radical idea emerges: the holographic principle. This principle suggests that our three-dimensional perception of the universe may be akin to a hologram, a projection from a two-dimensional surface located at the edge of space. This edge, though indefinitely distant, holds the key to understanding the nature of our reality. Distant. Emergentism describes phenomena that arise from the complex interaction of simpler elements, leading to new properties and behaviors that are not obvious based on the components alone. In the context of our universe, and especially within the framework of the holographic principle, emergentism takes on a fascinating role. The term implies that the three-dimensional space we move through and the time we experience are not the fundamental building blocks of reality. Instead, they arise from a more basic two-dimensional structure, the holographic boundary. This boundary encodes the information and laws that give rise to our perceived reality. In this framework, every star, planet, and galaxy, every law of physics, from gravity to electromagnetism, and even the very fabric of the cosmos, are emergent phenomena. It serves as a bridge between the known and the unknown, between the observable dimensions of our universe and the fundamental coding of its underlying structure. Reality at the holographic boundary invites us to rethink not only the structure of the cosmos, but the very nature of reality itself. As we,